Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time in a cozy kitchen, a friendly baker named Mrs. Smith decided to bake something special for the children in her town. She mixed flour, sugar, and a dash of magic to create a gingerbread dough. As she rolled out the dough, she shaped it into a little man with sweet raisin eyes and a candy cane smile. Before she could pop him into the oven, a mysterious sparkle enveloped the gingerbread man, and he sprang to life. "Run, run as fast as you can!" exclaimed the gingerbread man, and off he went, zipping through the kitchen, leaving a trail of cinnamon in the air. Mrs. Smith and the kitchen utensils watched in amazement as their gingerbread creation came to life. The gingerbread man danced his way out of the kitchen, through the living room, and into the garden. Along the way, he encountered a friendly butterfly, a chirpy bird, and even a mischievous squirrel. Each time, he giggled and exclaimed, "I'm the fastest treat in town." As the gingerbread man trotted along, he reached a river with no bridge in sight. A sly fox lounging nearby offered to help. "Hop on my back, and I'll take you across," the fox suggested. The gingerbread man, full of trust, hopped on. But as they reached the middle of the river, the fox's true intentions surfaced. "I'm sorry, gingerbread man, but I can't resist a tasty treat," said the fox, revealing his plan to gobble him up. Quick-witted as ever, the gingerbread man leapt off the fox's back, landing safely on a floating lily pad. "You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man," he called out, taunting the disappointed fox. And so, the gingerbread man continued his lively journey, making friends and spreading joy wherever he went. The children in the town would often find a surprise treat waiting for them, and they would laugh and play with the lively gingerbread man for years to come. And that's the tale of the spirited gingerbread man who, with a sprinkle of magic, brought sweetness and delight to everyone he met.